In the next 10 seconds, I'm going to prove your brain is more powerful than you think. Close your eyes right now. Imagine biting into a fresh, juicy lemon. Did your mouth water? What's saying? Congratulations. You just proved your mind can create physical reactions from imagination alone. You just accessed a power that most people believe is reserved for magicians or psychics. What if I told you there's a simple 60-second technique that can access the same brain state that Einstein, Tesla, and Edison used for their greatest discoveries? A state where a person can solve complex problems and learn at an accelerated rate. This isn't science fiction, it's a neurological reality. It's called the 3-2-1 method, and by the end of this video, you will master it, giving you the keys to a part of your mind you've never been able to access before. Right now, as you read this, your brain is operating in beta, a frenetic, high-frequency state between 14 and 30 hertz. It's like driving a Ferrari stuck in first gear. You're stressed, overthinking, and constantly anxious. And the worst part is, you're only using about 10% of your mental capacity. This is a hidden crisis plaguing modern society. We're addicted to this high-stress state, and the cost is staggering. A recent study revealed that 87% of people never access their creative genius state, and the symptoms are everywhere. You can't focus for more than 8 minutes without getting distracted. Your best ideas disappear before you can grab them. Your intuition is completely blocked, leaving you to rely on logic alone. And for those who try, manifestation feels impossible, like trying to shout a message across a raging river. But what if there was another way? The solution was first discovered in 1966 by a man named Silva. He was helping his daughter with her homework when he noticed something profound. When she was relaxed but alert in a specific brain state, she could memorize entire pages of a book in just minutes. He realized he was seeing a glimpse of true, effortless genius. He spent the next 22 years perfecting a single, simple technique that anyone could use to access this state. He called his method the Silva mind control method, and it was so effective that even the skeptical researchers at MIT were blown away by the results. The science is simple but profound, and it all comes down to controlling your brainwave frequencies. Your brain has 4 main operating systems. Beta is your everyday stress state. It's necessary for complex tasks and is where you are now, but it is not a place for creativity or deep learning. Theta is the state of deep meditation and REM sleep, where you have vivid dreams and deep insights. Delta Bisca 0.5 to 3 Hz is your deep, healing sleep state. But the one we care about is alpha, what we call the genius zone. Alpha is where the magic happens. It's the bridge between your conscious and subconscious mind, your personal Wi-Fi connection to infinite intelligence. It's the state of flow, super learning, and pure intuition. The proof that this state is real is undeniable. One study showed that Silva practitioners scored 30% higher on creativity tests. Another found that memory retention increased by 50% in the alpha state. What they don't teach you in school is that every genius in history, from Da Vinci and Michelangelo to Nikola Tesla and Steve Jobs, spent hours in alpha daily, whether they called it that or not. This is the secret operating system of the world's most successful people. Before we begin the technique, I want to say something. Hi everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I wanted to share something really important with you today, something that means the world to me. In 2026, I'm planning to pursue my master's degree. This has been a long-held dream of mine, and I've been working incredibly hard to make it a reality. Higher education isn't just about getting a degree for me. It's about expanding my knowledge, developing skills that will allow me to make a meaningful impact, and opening doors to contribute more significantly to my field and community. However, as many of you know, graduate education comes with significant financial challenges. Despite my planning and efforts, I find myself needing additional support to make this dream fully achievable. The cost of tuition books, and living expenses is substantial, and I'm reaching out to this wonderful community in hopes that you might be willing to help. This is where you come in. The total cost for my program and living expenses will be 300,000 Swedish krona, which is approximately 32,000 US dollars. If my journey resonates with you, and if you're in a position to help, I would be incredibly grateful for any support you can offer. Whether it's the price of a coffee or any amount you feel comfortable giving, every single contribution brings me one step closer to this goal. I know everyone has their own financial situations and responsibilities, and I completely understand that. You'll find the link in the description below and pinned in the comments. Any amount you're able to give will go directly toward my tuition and educational expenses, and I promise to honor your generosity by giving my absolute best to my studies. Whether you're able to contribute financially or not, I truly appreciate you being here and being part of this journey with me. If you can't donate, sharing this video with others who might be interested in supporting education would mean just as much. Before we begin the technique, you must understand that the 3-2-1 method isn't just counting. It is a specific sequence that acts as a neurological password to unlock your subconscious vault. It is a carefully engineered process to guide your brain from the high-frequency beta state into the low-frequency alpha state. The first step is level 3, the relaxation gateway. To begin, find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and close your eyes. Take 3 deep, slow breaths, using the 4-7-8 pattern. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for a count of 7, and exhale for a count of 8. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into a state of physical calm. Now, mentally say to yourself, I'm now entering level 3. Systematically relax your entire body, starting from the top of your head, relaxing your scalp, your forehead, your eyes, and all the way down to your toes. You are telling your brain and nervous system to switch from the sympathetic fight-or-flight response to the parasympathetic rest and digest mode. As you do this, visualize the number 3 3 times, making it bright, colorful, and three-dimensional in your mind's eye. Feel your body getting heavier and more relaxed with each number. Next, you move to level 2, the mental cinema. As you feel yourself relaxing further, say to yourself, I'm now entering level 2, deeper than before. This is where you engage your inner movie screen. Visualize a peaceful scene, your ideal relaxation place. It could be a quiet beach with gentle waves, a lush forest with soft sunlight, or a mountain peak with a fresh breeze. Engage all of your senses. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Hear the sound of the wind. Smell the fresh air. And see the vivid colors of your mental landscape. This is the point where your brain is at 10 to 12 hertz, and your critical factor, that internal voice of doubt that says this won't work, begins to quiet down. Your subconscious mind is now open and listening. To solidify this level, count backward from 10 to 1, going deeper into this relaxed state with each number. After you reach 1, see the number 2 3 times. Finally, you reach level 1, the Alpha Command Center. As you feel yourself fully relaxed and aware, say to yourself, I'm now at level 1, the Alpha level. At this point, you are at a frequency of 8 to 10 hertz, fully in the genius zone. This is your personal mental laboratory. At level 1, you can program new habits instantly, access suppressed memories, solve impossible problems, and activate your intuition on demand. Your visualizations here are 100 times more powerful. This is where you can truly manifest your desires. The secret anchor that makes this all repeatable is a simple trigger. At level 1, touch your thumb and first 2 fingers together. This becomes your instant alpha switch. After just 21 days of practice, just touching these 3 fingers together will drop you into the alpha state in 3 seconds. Let's do this together right now. This will be the most important 2 minutes of your entire day. Close your eyes, Take a deep, slow breath in and out. Now mentally say and feel yourself entering level 3. Imagine the number 3, 3 times bright and vibrant. Feel your body getting heavier, sinking into your chair. Relax your scalp, your forehead, your eyes. Feel your shoulders drop, your arms and hands become loose. Your torso, your legs, and your feet. Everything is calm and relaxed. Now move to level 2. See the number 2, 3 times. Say mentally, I am now at level 2, deeper than before. Imagine your perfect place of relaxation, the sounds, the smells, the feeling of complete peace. Count with me, going deeper with each number. 9 on, feeling more and more relaxed. 7, 6, 5, so peaceful. 4, 3, 2, you are now so deeply relaxed. Now you are at level 1. See the number 1, 3 times. Say mentally, I am now at level 1, the alpha level. You are now in the genius zone. Take a moment to set an intention for your day. Place your thumb and 2 fingers together. This is your anchor. When you are ready, count up with me to bring your awareness back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Eyes open, wide awake, and feeling amazing. Now that you know the basics, here are some advanced hacks. Use the morning power protocol. Do the 3-2-1 technique within 17 minutes of waking up. Your brain is naturally in a low frequency state, so you'll drop into alpha faster and deeper. Use the visualization amplifier at level 1. See your goals as already achieved, because your subconscious can't tell the difference between what is imagined and what is real in this state. Your visualizations are 100 times more powerful. Use the problem-solving technique. Enter level 1 using the 3-2-1 method. State your problem clearly. Say to yourself, I will have the answer when I open my eyes and count up to 5. The first thought you have is your answer, so trust it. After practicing for 21 days, just touching your 3 fingers together will instantly drop you into alpha. Use it before important meetings, exams, or creative work to access your best self on demand. The results you can expect from mastering this are astounding. After just 1 week of practice, you'll fall asleep easier. Your morning anxiety will disappear, and ideas will flow more naturally than ever before. By week 2, your intuition will become so accurate, it will feel like a superpower, and your memory will improve noticeably. By week 3 and 4, manifestations will begin to accelerate. Problem solving will become effortless, and people will start to notice there's something different about you. We've seen CEOs use this technique before, a board meeting, and close multi-million-dollar deals. We've seen students who are getting C's go on to get straight A's after a few weeks of daily practice. This isn't a theory, it's a tool that has created real-world results for people just like you. So here's my challenge for the next 7 days. Use the 3-2-1 technique twice daily, once in the morning, 7 once at night. That's a total time investment of just 28 minutes to potentially change your entire life. Every day you stay stuck in beta is another day of missed opportunities, suppressed genius, and chronic anxiety, living at just 10% of your true capacity. But every day you spend in alpha is where legends are made. The most successful people on earth have one thing in common. They've learned to control their brainwave states. The 3-2-1 technique is your key to joining them. The question isn't, does it work? It's, will you use it? If this video helps even one person unlock their potential, it's worth it. So here's what I need from you. Comment Alpha IBL below if you're committing to the 7-day challenge. Share this with someone you know who needs it, and subscribe so you don't miss our next videos on brainwave optimization. Remember the lemon at the beginning? Your brain proved it can create physical reality from a simple thought. The 3-2-1 technique is how you weaponize that power. I'll see you at level 1.